The marine life. The ocean covers 70% of the Earth's surface. The ocean makes all the life on Earth possible. From the shoreline to the deepest seafloor, the ocean teems with life. Diverse living organisms call our ocean, coast, and estuaries home.
The hundreds of thousands of marine species range from microscopic single-celled plankton to the blue whale, the largest mammal on Earth, are all example species living in our ocean. Our knowledge of the life cycles, behaviors, habitats, and relationships among marine species helps us understand the Earth as a whole.
The world's expanding populations depends heavily on seafood. Healthy fish populations result in healthy oceans, thus it is up to us to contribute to the issue. Sustainable fisheries are essential for maintaining the health of our marine ecosystem and coastal communities.
The future health of these marine residents will depend on changing environmental circumstances, human effects, and reliance on the species. The daily dangers to marine life include toxic spills, oxygen-depleted dead zones, marine debris, rising ocean temperatures, overfishing, and shoreline development.
Now, the ocean has sustained huge damage from the people themselves. Research state that an equivalent of 1 garbage drop of plastic is dumped in our ocean every minute worldwide. 17.6 billion pounds every year. Plastic is everywhere in our ocean, floating in the surface and mixing in the salt water. Scientists say that over 60% of whale and dolphin species are affected by this problem.
Today, we are faced with a challenge to shift our thinking so that humanity stops threatening our life support system. The oceans are being assaulted by carbon dioxide, plastic, pollution, and illegal fishing. The ocean might seem huge, big, and powerful, but no one knows that the ocean is fragile.
As a student of STS, what are the possible ways that you can do to protect and preserve them? And what will be your contribution to control biodiversity crisis? As a student of STS, the first thing I can do is to stay informed. I will make sure that I understand and is up to date on the best strategies for preserving coral reefs. Dispelling myths and misunderstandings will go a long way toward bringing about change and consistent preservation policies. As a student with knowledge about this, I can host information sessions or film screenings in coordination with LGUs that demonstrate the degradation and conservation efforts that are required. Right now, the most important thing is to raise awareness and issue a call to action.
As a student of STS, I believe I can protect the marine environment by simply applying the 3 R: reduce, reuse, and recycle. The solution to the problems is to dispose trash properly, and it can start at home. You can do your part by reducing how much plastic you waste, reuse, and recycle.
As a student of STS, I have found out that one of the possible ways to protect biodiversity is by using our senses. We can protect marine life by using our senses and observing them and their natural environment. We can also preserve them by protecting them from being overfished and destroying their habitat. I will contribute to control biodiversity crisis by contributing to the awareness of people about this issue so that they will take measures to protect our marine life.
As a student, I can help in protecting our marine biodiversity through joining organizations that does cleanup drives and make anti-pollution signage along beaches. so that garbage won't be able to destroy our marine habitat. We can also make use of social media to make marine biodiversity campaigns and marine biodiversity contents to widely connect people around the world.
The biodiversity of life on Earth is the foundation of human existence and well-being. As a student of STS, in order to protect the biodiversity crisis and the prosperity of the communities around the world, we must adapt and support demands for more responsible and sustainable practices that safeguard soil, water, forest, and wildlife.
We can also use social media to raise awareness and spread information. You can reach hundreds, if not 1,000 of friends to raise awareness. Write up persuasively and actively republish new material sourced from global campaign, so they can also willingly help the campaign in their own way by just being responsible for their waste and garbages do not throw everywhere.
We can do the work together. Together, we can create a movement to protect and preserve our ocean. Together, we can help our cities, schools, towns, and workplaces establish zones that are pollution-free. Together, let's stop pollution from wrecking our beaches and oceans. Together, we must work to save our planet from ourselves and to have healthy environment that delight the sustained ease for generations to come.